Hey there, future side hustlers. Are you ready to embark on a journey that could change your life? Ever dream of having extra cash flow? Imagine what you could do with a little more money in your pocket each month. Or maybe you crave more freedom and flexibility? Picture yourself working from anywhere at any time without the constraints of a traditional 9-to-5 job. That's where the magic of a side hustle comes in. It's not just about making money, it's about creating opportunities and exploring new possibilities. It's about designing a life you love on your terms. Imagine waking up every day excited to work on something you're passionate about. It's about turning your passions into profits, one step at a time. And whether it's painting, baking, or any other hobby, there's potential to make it a profitable venture. Whether you're a busy parent juggling multiple responsibilities, a student with big dreams, or someone who simply wants more control over your time and finances, there's a side hustle out there with your name on it. The beauty of side hustles is that they come in all shapes and sizes, tailored to fit your unique skills and interests. Get ready to unlock your potential and embrace the exciting world of side hustling. The journey may have its challenges, but the rewards are worth it. So what are you waiting for? Your side gig awaits. Okay, but why all the hype about side hustles? Here's the deal, it's not just about extra money, though that's always a bonus. Side hustles empower you to explore passions, develop new skills, and gain financial independence. Imagine having the freedom to pursue your dreams, travel the world, or simply enjoy life's little luxuries. Plus, who doesn't love the feeling of being your own boss? With a side hustle, you call the shots, set your hours, and watch your hard work pay off. Ready to take control of your future? Let's do this. First things first, let's tap into your unique talents and passions. What makes your heart sing? What are you naturally good at? Grab a notebook and jot down your interests, hobbies, and skills. Don't hold back. Let your imagination run wild. Think about what you loved doing as a child, what you enjoy learning about in your free time, and what skills you possess that others admire. Remember, your side hustle should light you up from the inside out. Now, let's explore some popular side hustle options that can help you find your perfect match. Whether you're looking to supplement your income or turn a passion into a full-time career, there's something out there for everyone. Creative genius. Are you a wordsmith, artist, or maker? Freelance writing, graphic design, photography, and selling handmade crafts online are fantastic options. Imagine turning your love for words into compelling articles or your artistic skills into stunning visuals that captivate audiences. If you have a knack for creating beautiful things, why not share them with the world and make some money in the process? Platforms like Etsy and Shopify make it easier than ever to reach a global audience with your handmade crafts. You can set up your own online store, manage your inventory, and connect with customers who appreciate the uniqueness of your creations. Tech whiz. If you're tech savvy, consider web development, social media management, virtual assisting, or teaching online courses. The digital world is your playground. You can build websites, manage social media accounts, assist businesses with administrative tasks, or share your knowledge through online teaching platforms. The demand for tech skills is ever growing, and there's no shortage of opportunities to leverage your expertise. People person, love connecting with others, explore freelance, writing, virtual assisting, social media management, or even becoming a tour guide in your city. If you thrive on interaction and enjoy helping others, these roles can be incredibly fulfilling. You can write engaging content, assist clients, virtually, manage social media communities, or share your local knowledge with tourists. Becoming a tour guide allows you to meet new people, share interesting stories, and showcase the best parts of your city. It's a great way to combine your love for history, culture, and social interaction. Passion project. Pro, turn your passions into profits. Love fitness? Become a certified personal trainer or yoga instructor. If you're passionate about health and wellness, these careers offer the chance to help others achieve their fitness goals while doing something you love. You can work in gyms, studios, or even offer private sessions. The flexibility and personal satisfaction of helping others improve their well-being can be incredibly rewarding. Are you a foodie? Start a food blog or catering business, share your culinary creations with the world, write about your favorite recipes, or cater events and parties. The food industry is vast, and there's always room for new and exciting flavors. Whether you're photographing dishes for your blog, preparing meals for clients, or cooking up a storm in your kitchen, the possibilities are endless. Find your perfect match and turn your passion into a thriving side hustle. Dive in, your side hustle journey starts now. This is the moment you've been waiting for, the perfect time to take control of your future and start something new. Ready to take the plunge? It's natural to feel a mix of excitement and nervousness, but remember, every great journey begins with a single step. Awesome. Here's a quick start guide. 1. Choose your hustle. This is the foundation of your side hustle journey. Select a side hustle that aligns with your passions, something that excites you and keeps you motivated. Skills and lifestyle. 2. Do your research. Knowledge is power. Equip yourself with as much information as possible. Learn everything you can about your chosen hustle. Read blogs, listen to podcasts, attend webinars, and join online communities, and connect with others in your field. 3. Create a plan. Outline your goals, target audience, and marketing strategy. A well thought out plan will guide you through the initial stages and keep you on track. 4. Start small. Don't overcomplicate things. Begin with small, manageable steps and gradually scale up as you gain experience and confidence. Remember, consistency is key. Keep pushing forward, and soon you'll see your side hustle grow and flourish. Lights, camera, side hustle, action. It's time to put your plan into action. Create a website or online portfolio to showcase your work and services. Spread the word on social media, reach out to your network, and consider attending industry events. Remember, consistency is key. Dedicate a few hours each week to your side hustle and celebrate your progress along the way. You've got this. Hustle smarter, not harder. Tips for side hustle success. Here are some golden nuggets of wisdom to help you thrive. Time management is key. Set realistic goals and allocate specific time slots for your side hustle. Embrace technology. Utilize online tools and resources to streamline your workflow and boost productivity. Never stop learning. Stay ahead of the curve by continuously upgrading your skills and knowledge. Build your network. Connect with other side hustlers and entrepreneurs for support, inspiration, and collaboration opportunities. You've got this. Embrace the side hustle life. Starting a side hustle can be both exhilarating and challenging, but remember, you've got this. Embrace the journey, learn from your mistakes, and never give up on your dreams. The rewards of side hustling: financial freedom, personal fulfillment and the satisfaction of creating something amazing are well worth the effort. So what are you waiting for? Take that leap of faith and watch your side hustle dreams soar. Join the Hustle Hub, subscribe and share your story. Ready to connect with a community of passionate side hustlers? Subscribe to my channel for more tips, inspiration and resources to fuel your side hustle journey. And don't forget to share your story in the comments below. What side hustle are you passionate about? What challenges have you faced? And what victories have you celebrated? Let's inspire and support each other on this exciting adventure.